Hey guys, so today we're going over subtracting polynomials, and they follow the same idea as adding polynomials, where you're just combining like terms and getting rid of the parentheses if there are any. So let's start off with the first one: 4r cubed plus 3r to the fourth minus r to the fourth minus 5r cubed. You want to distribute this negative sign to get rid of the parentheses, and this will cause a sign change for these two terms. Now there's a positive one here, so the sign of these two terms in the front won't change. So we're going to get 4r cubed plus 3r to the fourth minus r to the fourth plus 5r cubed. Let's combine like terms using the highest degree. So here we have 3r to the fourth minus r to the fourth. That's going to give us 2r to the fourth, and then we end up with 4r cubed plus 5r cubed. That's going to be plus 9r cubed, and we're pretty much done. Great. Let's move on to the next one. Find the difference when 4/3 x cubed minus 5/8 x squared plus 7/9 x is subtracted from 2x cubed plus 3/4 x squared minus 2/9. So you want to pay attention to the keyword here, because it says from, it's going to be this minus this. If it said by, it would have been this minus this, okay? So the order is very important. So I'm just going to rewrite it out here. 2x cubed plus 3/4 x squared minus 2/9. I'm going to put the parentheses here so that we are seeing the sign change. Minus 5/8 x squared plus 7/9x. Okay, so let's distribute. This is going to change into a negative, positive, and a negative. So I'm just going to just erase that. So it'll be negative. This is going to be a positive. Again, we're doing this because there was a sign change, and this is going to be a negative. Okay, great. So now let's combine like terms. So we have negative 4/3 x cubed and 2x cubed. You want this to have the same denominator as this one, so we're going to multiply this by 3/3. And that's going to give me 6/3 x cubed. 6/3 x cubed. And now I can combine them. So positive 6/3 x cubed minus 4/3 x cubed. That's going to give me 2/3 x cubed. Okay, done with that. Let's start combining the x squared terms. I see that since the denominators are 4 and 8, the least common denominator is going to be 8. So I just need to multiply this by 2 and 2. That's going to be 6/8 x squared. 6/8 x squared plus 5/8 x squared. That's going to be plus 11/8 x squared. Done with that. We see that we have two terms. Oops, let me erase this. We see that we have two terms left, but they are not like terms because this one has a variable and this one doesn't. So I'm just going to leave it as is. So that's negative or minus 7/9 x minus 2/9. And we're done with that. Last but not least, we have a rational expression that we need to simplify. And again, you want to make sure it has the same denominator before you combine anything. So we have 6 and 12. The least common denominator is going to be 12, so I just need to multiply this first term with 2/2. So I'm going to distribute 2 to both terms. I'm going to get 2x minus 14/12 minus 3x minus 2/12. And because they have the same denominator, I can actually put them all as one fraction. So I'm going to write it as 2x minus 14 minus parentheses 3x minus 2/12. Oops, pressing really hard today. Over 12, okay. And then I'm going to distribute here. These are all really intermediate steps. You don't really need to do all this, but I'm just writing it out for those of you that want to see the step-by-step process. And this is going to be minus 3x plus 2/12. And then, of course, you want to combine like terms. So 2x minus 3x, that's going to be negative x. Negative 14 plus 2, that's going to be minus 12/12. And that will be your simplified rational expression. And that's pretty much it. Of course, these can get more complicated with multivariable terms and whatnot, especially when it's part of a word problem. You have to pull out a lot of information. But this is the general idea, and it will be very helpful for you later on in the Algebra 2 course. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, like and subscribe, and I'll be making more videos soon. Bye!